Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something essential for all you MacBook users: the Sourcena MacBook Pro Charger. It's not just any charger. It's packed with features to keep your MacBook powered up and secure. Let's dive in. First things first, let's unbox this Sourcena charger and see what we've got inside. As we open the package, you'll notice the sleek and compact design of the charger. It's a good start, but there's more to discover. Now, let's get into the technical details. This charger is designed to work with Mac Pro 13 inches models after 2012, with a model number of A1425 or A1502. It's also compatible with various MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models. So, it's versatile. One of the standout features of this charger is the LED charging indicator. When it's in action, an amber light tells you that your MacBook is charging, while a green light signals a full charge. It's a handy visual cue. Safety is paramount when it comes to charging your expensive MacBook. The Sourcena charger comes with internal smart chips that automatically disconnect the charging when your MacBook is fully charged. No overcharging worries here. Beyond that, this charger provides multiple protection mechanisms against short circuit, over temperature, over current, and over voltage. It's like having a guardian angel for your MacBook's battery. Convenience is key, and the folding plug design of this charger makes it perfect for travel or daily use. It's flexible, easy to carry, and ensures a comfortable charging experience. To wrap it up, the Sourcena MacBook Pro charger is a reliable companion for your MacBook. It's not just a charger. It's a smart charger with safety features that keep your device and data secure. Plus, it's compatible with various MacBook models. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay charged and tech savvy. This is Product Critique, signing off.